Hello, happy Monday, my friends. Today is Card Making Monday, and we are going to make this beautiful little, quick little card today. I have a friend that I wanted to send a card to, so sometimes in a time crunch, you could just get like your little card sets here. This is the very vanilla note card and envelope set, and they're already pre-cut, pre-made. Just use one of those. And I'm using a quick little piece of the Moonlight, Misty Moonlight cardstock and this Paper Blooms Designer Series paper, and coordinating it with this pretty Petal Pink cardstock. And I used the Mambo Madness ink right here. And then I'm just going to use this beautiful Midnight Madness, Misty Midnight ribbon to coordinate and put right here in the middle with some rhinestones. So we're all very, very matchy today. But before I get started, I just wanted to please ask you to hit the subscribe button and the bell below if you keep wanting to see these videos. Also, please share and share it to your friends and push the like button. I really appreciate it. And if you're interested in card making classes or being part of my crafty community, please visit my website, which is up here on this page, and click the Facebook icon button, and it'll take you right to my group page. All right, now to get started, I'm going to get my little paper here, my little card. I used the Many Mates stamp set to stamp this, Just Thinking of You, and I used the pretty Perennials stamp set to add this little coordinating flower on the inside. Just so you know, I already did that ahead of time. So now I'm going to give this a better crease using my bow and folder, and I'm going to add my cardstock on top right here. And it's just so easy sometimes to just get a pre-made card in an envelope, right? You don't have to mess with it. You don't have to cut it. Just get an envelope that's already ready to go. And it's so easy and quick to send your friend a quick card, which I love. And it says a lot, right? Okay, there we go. Nice and straight, nice and even. Now these I want to raise up a little bit. Look how cute this side is, by the way. Oh my God. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to use some dimensionals here. And add a few. So I want that to be a little bit higher up than the blue. Okay. Adding one in the middle. And hoping you're all having a great Monday. I am pretty calm. Mondays are usually pretty calm for me, which I love. I think I'm just in shock that I have to be responsible again for the week, so it sort of takes me a minute to get into the swing of things. Okay, so that's pretty, isn't it? I love how everything coordinates. So I'm also going to, I'm going to use the dimensionals to put this on, so it's just even a little bit higher up. I really do think that's what makes the cards extra special. Just giving everything a little bit of lift, some dimension. Okay. This Designer Series paper is really pretty. I love the blue with the pink. I've always been really fond of blue and pink together, like dark blue and pink. It's just pretty. So I'm going to put this right here in the middle, like this. And then I'm going to take my ribbon. Ooh, I need my Take Your Pick tool. Favorite tool. And get my... These are scissors just for my ribbon. So, because I want to make sure they always stay sharp. So I have two pairs of snips. One's for cutting ribbon and the other one is for cutting paper. And you would be so surprised how much sharper these are than my ones that I use to cut paper. It's pretty crazy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my little mini dots out here. And I Take Your Pick tool. And I'm going to fold up my... cute little bow here I'm really getting into the bows, and I'm trying all different kinds of folds here. So I'm gonna put my little, I like it like this. I'm gonna just put my little mini dot right here. There. Okay. Where is it? Here it is. And then fold this so that it goes right on the, right over the mini dot. Just like this. Look at that, so cute. And I like how it's a little bit frayed on the bottom. And now I'm gonna put a mini dot on the back. Love these little mini dots. And just take a little piece off with you could literally just pick it off with your take your pick tool and put it right where you want it to go. And I'm gonna put this right here. Just like that. So cute, right? And now I'm going to use the other side of your take your pick tool. And I'm going to scrape off these cute little embellishments. This is from the Holiday Basic Jewels collection. And I'm just going to add a couple, right? Because everything needs sparkle. And these are totally coordinating. You've got the light blue and the dark blue. So just like that. Isn't that just so cute? So that is how quick and easy it is to make a card for a friend. Just a quick hello card, just thinking of you. You have plenty of space to write. And I also added the little perennial flower just to coordinate my envelope with my beautiful little note card. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video and you have a really wonderful week. And thanks for stopping by, and I will see you all later. Thank you.